Hello again, parents. I just wanted to give you access to my class blog. So the URL is misssalerno1920.edublogs.org. I'll also send this out on Remind and via email so that you have access to the link. So this is what my class blog will look like moving forward. So I have all of my information regarding distance learning, my office hours, the way that announcements are going to work, things like that all on here. So feel free to take a look. I also, in the home page, have all of my tutorials that I'm putting up, any information or different class websites that I'll be using. So please feel free to check in here. This is going to be our universal space for everything. So again, thank you for your time. Please look through this. It's super, super important, and we'll be using it moving forward. Thank you.